What's up, sisters? Long time no see. This is Carmen of My Natural Sisters. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I wanted to come today and show you my first successful perm rod set, y'all. I've never done it before or did a tutorial on it because I've always struggled with them. So here's my first successful one, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I have clean hair sectioned into 4 parts. I always start in the back. I'm reapplying some water. Hair has been detangled in the shower. I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in spray, which is my main choice. What is it? Type 4 leaf clover. One of my favorites right now. You can get it at Sally's. It leaves my hair super soft and it smells really good. It is bomb, y'all. You have to check that out. I'm applying it root to end. I'm going to take a smaller section and then I'm going to detangle that little piece. I always start in the back, y'all, so I can see everything as I move forward to the front of my head. So I'm just detangling that. Then I'm going to apply my favorite moisturizer, which is Camille Rose Naturals Curl Love Moisture Milk. I use that a lot when I do my lock method, when I'm doing twist outs. So I decided to, see if it worked for this perm rod set. After I apply my moisturizer, I also apply Lotta Body Foaming Mousse on top. I heard it's a great setting lotion for a perm rod, so got that recommendation from my sister, India. So I brushed that through the section, and I'm going to take the purple perm rods all over my head, and I take the ends of my hair, go up like a quarter of your hair, and wrap the ends around, and then I start to roll up. And then I'm going to take my finger over my hair and then wrap the roller itself around my hair. And then when I get closer to my scalp, I do that again. So it'll be tighter to my scalp. And then I take the band and lock it in over my hair. That was a struggle for me, y'all, to learn. I don't know why it took 10 years, but I finally got it down. I think the process could be a little bit better. My curls could be a little bit better. This is just my first time, so bear with me. I'm going to show you the process again over in the front of my head. I already applied my leave-in conditioner. I'm applying my Moisture Milk by Camille Rose again to the smaller section of my hair. And then I'm going to separate the front already into 3 sections because you don't want the sections to be too big. Doing this, I think my hair would dry faster and the curls would pop a little bit better. Again, I apply the Lotta Body Foaming Mousse and rub that through from the root to end, and then I'm going to brush that through. So I'm taking the purple perm rod, I'm coming up a quarter of my hair and then wrapping the end itself around, making sure my hair is, pulled kind of tightly as I roller set upwards to, control the frizz and keep it smooth. So I'm coming up about halfway, and then I'm take a finger over my hair and then wrap around. And then do that closer to the scalp. This will keep the roots from being too fluffy. So I clamp that over my hair like that, and then I'm done. I do that whole process all over my head. Y'all don't pay attention to my edges. They still are a struggle. So I let them air dry overnight. I slept with a satin cap. I tested out the last roller set I did to make sure the rest of my hair was dry, and then I proceeded by taking them down from the back. At first I didn't know how I was going to take them down. I suggest not pulling the roller set right off. I came to the conclusion to just hold the root of my hair as I unravel the roller set from around my hair instead of pulling it. So I proceed to do that all over my head. Just hold the root down and just unravel. Do not pull so you don't cause any frizz. After that, I lay my edges down using Carol's Daughter Edge Control with my little toothbrush. I gotta lay the edges down. And then I'm going to take some olive oil by Oars, apply it to my fingertips, and pull my hair apart. I pull the curls about 2 or 3 times depending on how big they are. I'm pulling from the root, not the end. You'll cause unwanted frizz if you pull from the root, from the end of the hair. So I'm pretty proud of this perm rod set, y'all. I've never been able to achieve these results. I believe they can be better. Practice, makes almost perfect. So I'll continue, trying. I'm fluffing out my roots with a pick, to bring that shape out. And that's it. I'm very, very happy with it. I believe it's going to get better as I continue, try different size perm rods and, just continue practicing the process for less frizz and, more defined curls. I hope you ladies enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Look out for more videos from us sisters, and Don't forget to comment below and, request what you want to see from us ladies. Thank you again for watching. Peace out, sisters.